Possessive words show who owns something or who something belongs to. In English, there are two main types of possessive words: possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives come before a noun to describe it, while possessive pronouns replace the noun entirely. Understanding the difference helps in speaking and writing clearly. Possessive adjectives are words that come before a noun to show ownership or relationship. They modify the noun directly. Examples include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, when you say my book, the word my tells us who owns the book. Possessive adjectives never stand alone. They must always be followed by a noun. Possessive pronouns replace the noun and show ownership without repeating the noun. They stand alone and do not need a noun after them. Examples are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. For example, in the sentence "the book is mine," the word mine replaces the noun book to show possession. Here is a list of the common possessive adjectives in English: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. These words come before a noun to show to whom the noun belongs. Remember, possessive adjectives describe the noun and cannot be used without the noun. The possessive pronouns in English are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. These words take the place of the noun and show ownership. Possessive pronouns can stand alone without a noun following them. This helps avoid repeating the noun when it is already understood. Possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns both show ownership, but they are used differently. Possessive adjectives come before a noun, like in my book, where my describes book. Possessive pronouns replace the noun, as in the book is mine, where mine stands for my book. Knowing the difference makes your English more accurate. Common mistakes happen when people confuse possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. For example, saying "this is my" is wrong. The correct sentence is "this is mine." Also, some say the car is his one, which is not correct. Always remember, possessive adjectives modify a noun, but possessive pronouns stand alone and replace a noun. Now practice using possessive adjectives and pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. For I, say my or mine. For he, say his or his. For they, say their or theirs. For she, say her or hers. Practicing helps you remember when to use each type correctly and improves your English speaking and writing skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.